Hello there and welcome. I want to talk to you for a few minutes about money. Earl Nightingale said something very interesting one time. He said, most people think they want more money than they really do, and they settle for a whole lot less than they could get. Let's look at money for a moment. Look at this. That's not money. Do you know what that is? That's a piece of paper that's been published by the American government, and they call it money. It just represents money. Money is an idea. That's what it is. It's a reward received for service rendered. The more of it you have, the more you can do. See, money isn't going to make you a better person. That's one $100 bill. Now look here for a moment. Here's 100 $100 bills. I got it all bundled up here. That's 100 of them. This or this is not going to make me a better person. Having this does make me a better person than if I had this. I can do more with this than I can with this. Money is an instrument. Now let's suppose I'm going to feed hungry people. I can feed more people with this than I can with this. So that would make me more effective. And that's what money does. Money is an instrument. It enables you to extend the service you render far beyond your own physical presence. And that's really what it's used for. It's an instrument. And it can be earned. And you can earn all the money you want. All the money in the universe is available to you. But you've got to earn it. Do you know what you want to do? You want to take your pen and sit down and write down how much you want to earn. And then understand this. Earn is the operative word here. You must earn it. Nobody's going to give it to you. And you earn it by providing service. Now, I have found the more service you render, the more money you can earn. It's that simple. I earn a lot of money at what I do because guaranteed by law, we're supposed to earn a lot of money. See, the amount of money you earn is always in direct ratio to the need for what you do, your ability to do it, and the difficulty there is in replacing you. The need for what you do. There's a tremendous need for what I do all over the world. We teach people how to understand themselves, how to understand the natural laws that govern this universe of which they're a part, how to improve the results they're getting in their life, how to be more effective, how to build their company, how to build themselves. We teach people information that's not taught in school. It's needed everywhere in the world. I've worked in Shanghai, I've worked in Kosovo and Buenos Aires and Kota Kinabalu. I've worked all over the world. And anywhere I've gone, they want what I've got. I've got a process that shows people how to develop the infinite potential they've got within themselves. And when they do that, they earn more money. I'm frequently asked, what would you do if you were starting over? I'd be a network marketer. I think that's one of the most phenomenal ways to earn money. See, the secret of earning a lot of money is have multiple sources of income. You don't have one, you have many sources of income. Do you know as a network marketer, you could have thousands of sources of income, not 1,000. You can earn more money when you're sleeping than you can when you're awake. Eric Worre put something out. He's a great network marketer, probably one of the best in the world. But he trains people how to do it and how to do it effectively. He said, it isn't what works that makes the difference, it's what you can duplicate that makes the difference. It's not what you do, it's how you teach other people to do what you do. So it's not what you do that works, it's what duplicate. That's what works. Money is a reward received for service rendered. The amount of money you earn is in direct relation to the need for what you do. Is there a need for teaching people how to earn money, how to build their business, how to build themselves, how to change the results? It's a screaming need all over the world. That's what I do. So it's the need for what you do, then your ability to do it. Now, I've got very good at it because I've done it for a long time, but not because I've done it for a long time. A lot of people do things for a long time, but they never get really good at it. They have 1 year experience 50 times. I study every day. There's not a day goes by that I do not study, that I don't work at improving me. Because I know when I stop working at improving me, I'm going to stop improving. When I stop improving, I go in the wrong direction. You see, a basic law of life says create or disintegrate. You're either going one way or another. So it's the need for what you do, your ability to do it. I want to get better at this. I don't only want to be good at it, I want to be better. Milt Campbell, a great friend of mine, won the decathlon in the Olympics. He said, good, better, best. Never let it rest until the good's better, until the better's best. That's the way you want to work. Now, the third part of this process for the law of earning money or the law of prosperity, law of compensation, is a very simple one. It's the difficulty there is in replacing you. So it's the need for what you do, your ability to do it, and then the difficulty there is in replacing you. When you become really good at what you're doing, you're going to be very difficult to replace. Now, the person that's difficult to replace, that person's stock goes up. Do you want to earn a lot of money? You can earn all these you want. It's all available to you. The only person that's holding you back is you. Earn a lot of money, provide a lot of service. Fall in love with what you do and get better at it. Now, do you know a good rule to follow? Go to someone that understands what you're doing better than you know it, and then do exactly what they tell you. Don't think you know more than them. Understand they do know more than you. Not everybody, but some people. Pick the ones that do, and then do exactly what they tell you. Remember, money is earned according to the law of compensation. The law of compensation is clear. The amount of money you earn is in direct ratio to the need for what you do, your ability to do it, and the difficulty there is in replacing you. Become really difficult to replace. Make up your mind you're going to learn how to earn this stuff, and it must be earned. People that make it are either in the mint, in jail, or on their way. Everybody else has to earn it. I love earning money. I love it. I love giving it away. I love earning it. I love using it. You can become very effective if you got enough of this. The more effective you become, the happier you're going to be. Try it. But remember what Earl Nightingale said. Most people think they want more than they do, and they settle for a whole lot less than they get. This is Bob Proctor with a very brief, basic concept on earning money. Most people never learn it. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. We put a lot of good information up here, and it causes everything in your life to get better. If you'd like us to notify you every time we put a new video up, hit subscribe and then turn on notifications. Check out all our videos, and we will notify you when we put a new one up.